Yo, what's up world? How you doing, guys? I'm in Uluwatu right now with this beautiful landscape behind me. There are also so many surfers. I count already about 100 people just behind me over there in the water. It's already low tide, so many of them they already went home. Also some people enjoying the photo session, stuff like this. And I'm gonna tell you the Uluwatu, the single fin and Suluban beach area where I was here about 2 months ago last time making a video when I met the Canadian couple. Now it's at least 2 times more busier than it was. And it's still not even 5 o'clock, waiting until gonna be sunset time, and I'm gonna show you around, going from down, from the bottom to the top over there. By the way, now the pool is open here and costs only 100k per person. This is the pool what you saw from the top. Just keep it in mind, guys, if you wanna come to this beautiful place at the edge of the cliff, there are the stairs like this one, and they are not easy to come. There is also beautiful beach around here with the caves, actually, like this one, and also you can grab the cold bintang or coconut. And when it's low tide, you can just simply come here and enjoy it. When it's high tide, the water is hitting the stairs over there, so just keep it in mind and always watch what the waves are today. Meanwhile, there's not that really busy by the beach, but the bars upstairs, they are quite busy. But definitely more and more international tourists around. Also many middle-aged people coming to Uluwatu nowadays, which is actually kinda new. Long time ago, only young surfers were here, and there are some photo sessions. And there is also one thing, only my personal thoughts, what I was coming here, I was thinking about that, why Uluwatu have such of beautiful landscapes, cliffs, beach with the beautiful color, beautiful water, why there is not as popular like a Canggu, they're not really attractive looking beach. Just very interesting fact. I would like to discuss this in my comment section, guys. Also, there are local ladies, local warung selling the noodles and drinks and beer and coconut. And yeah, customer, very good, very nice. Also here the surf village is back. The people, they are photographers, printers, you can get your picture. Some warung is open, surfboards, everything. It's getting better. If you're curious how it was look here like 2-3 months ago, you can all watch my old videos if you are new somehow. But trust me, this view is much better than it was. Meanwhile, a little bit of the view. Warungs are open, accessories, merchandises, also some warungs, some people already here and coming also every single time. So it's getting better and better. Oh, that's. And the bar even here at the edge is also open. And some people, I'm going to the top and I want to show you, they are open, quite busy as well. And this is the place where I was at the before. In this one, I'm actually in the corner, and you can rent this one for 100k just in case if you are interested. And well, so many surfers actually chilling down there right now. Look at this big monkey, he or she, I think he, climbing the temple here. Check this out. Eating the food from the offerings. Is it nice? Checking first. Smelling, seems good. So this is the tiger, monkey. Tiger is fake, monkey is real, be careful with that. And this is the single fin favorite bar for many of people. Also my favorite one, but unfortunately it's also the most expensive bar here. But if you wanna see the people and crowds and the good vibe, definitely. And I'm gonna show you right now. Check this out. Actually quite many people everywhere around. I mean, the front row today is taken. I should come just straight forward here, so I will have a space, but no complaints at all. So when I was here last time, there was definitely not that busy. How is it now? But today seems definitely busier. And also over here the swimming pool is open and there are some guests around. The swimming pool is already cleaned because last time was abandoned. Where were the people? There will be definitely no sunset, unfortunately, but the 80% of people here, they are definitely foreigners. I mean the international tourists from, well, I would say Southeast Asia. I'm gonna say like that. And we're gonna go down, let's see. Also, most of the tables over here are taken already. Smaller groups, but taken, and it's definitely better and better. That's for sure, 100%. Unfortunately, first row are taken. The seats everywhere. I'm so happy to see the crowds again. Okay, about the crowds, definitely I said too much. No crowds, there are some people. It's definitely at least one time more people than I was here last time when I met the people over there, my fans. Once again, in Canggu, they will be crowded extremely. Here is just all right, little bit similar to the Warung's restaurants in Sanur actually, or maybe in Seminyak. Normally in normal conditions there's as much people actually as you cannot even get any table even deep inside. So, but also no sunset today, unfortunately. If you are looking for the amount of scooters on the parking area, actually pretty busy. Look at this big bike with this small girl, so nice actually. They are local vendors, oh, so cute. And I'm gonna show you 360. Definitely, I mean, definitely better and better, guys. Very brave father, I think, with this bike and the kid. Anyway, and also local drivers looking for give you the lift if you want. And yeah, and this is Wuling car, the Chinese car in Indonesia. Alright, I just stopped in the Palang Palang Beach Bridge. There are some spectators actually around. There are always so many people actually stopping and, you know, like watching what's going on around. Well, as the conclusion I'm gonna tell you is actually quite a lot of foreign tourists around. I mean international. However, it's still kinda quiet, I could say. Not like Canggu, that's for sure. Definitely, there is very far to be a Canggu vibe. But it's picking up, definitely, but still few months. Anyway, yeah, there are some tourists actually around, but not that busy as you know, as so busy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care. Unfortunately, no sunset today, so sorry about that.